children. Hope you are all doing your assignments. Last session we learned phonetic sounds of few letters, right? Today let's revise them, okay? Can you tell me the sound of this letter? It's B. What is the sound of this letter? G. Can you tell me a word which has the sound G in it? G, gate. Then G, gun. G, goat. Which sound does this letter make? E. You're right. E. E for elephant. Think about another word which starts with the sound E. E for egg. Good. What's the sound of this letter? K. Right. K se car. What other word makes the sound K? Cap. Great. Now remember which sound this is? Yes, it is K. K. K for kite. K for kettle. Which sound is this? E. E for igloo. E for ink. What sound does this letter make? Yes, F. F for fish. F for frog. And which sound is this? This is A. A for apple. And now comes the sound D. D for dog. D for doll. And what is this sound? Yeah, it is J. J for joker. J for jam. Very good, children. You have learned all the sounds, and those who have not learned will go through the video again and make sure you have learned the sounds. Now, shall we go to the new sounds? Now, shall we look at the sounds of these new alphabets? This is L. L says lamp. M. M says mango. N. N says net. O. O says octopus. P says parrot. Q says quail. R says rose. S says socks. T says turtle. U says umbrella. Shall we revise the sounds? And what sound does this make? This is Now children, can you guess and tell me where is O? Can you show me O? Right, this is O. Now think and tell me where is T. Look at all the sounds and find T. Yes, here is T. Now can you find L for me? L. Yes, this is L. What else starts from L? Lion, right. Now can you look for P? Where is P? Here. This is P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Now find S for me. Where is S? Here. What sound does this make? S. S for socks. And what else? S for snake. Now I hope you had fun with this session. We'll see you in the next section. Till then, bye-bye.